This is an MLB The Show 21 pack opening video. I've got some packs through experience points. I only really play Road to the Show now, and I skip some of them games to be honest. I don't really care for Diamond Dynasty, worst 50 quid I've ever spent. But on a baseball note, I don't have to watch the hitless wonders tonight, thankfully, because the Tigers have got a day off. But I just want to point out, we are paying $30 million a year to Miguel Cabrera to hit 115. $30 million to hit nearly single digits. He's played 15 of the at least 29 games, so that's a blessing if anything, because it could be in single digits if he'd played them all. Our one bright spark offensively is the Candyman. Cuba had a hot start, he's kind of cooled off now. And the frustrating thing is, our pitching is actually pretty good. Jose Urena had a cracking game against the Yankees, but we didn't play any hits up. Robbie Grossman's good at drawing walks, but what good's that if we can't bat him in? You know what I mean? Yeah, don't know. Anthony Bay, Sabas, Cedric Mullins, the Invisible Man, and I always sell the Indians because, yeah, so couldn't get rid of them. God. That's me. Yeah, but camera was loose. Stay straight. There we go. Whatever that is. Whoever that is. Bumblebees. I can't even bother making jokes. I don't know what this is. Some good ones. Chris Martin's pretty good. Difference is only one, but at least the Nationals are the old Expos, or the new Expos, I should say. On Chattanooga Choo-Choo. White Sox in the bin. Who got it touched? The Tigers. Where does he play? Third baseman. Oh, wasn't that Wade Boggs, or was that on the other thing? Yeah, I'm not getting rid of Wade Boggs. There we go, whatever this is. Okay, just starting pitcher, centre field, and what does it say what position he plays that out? Right field. I can't remember where any of my people play. Centre field. Who's the centre field from? Oh, I'll take you. No, I'll take you. Right, That's all my packs, whatever. Good day.